Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with TV. So in my last video I had explained the structure of benzene as proposed by Kekule. So Kekule stated that for the molecular formula of C6H6 he had proposed a hexagonal structure of 6 carbon atoms arranged in a hexagon, and in order to explain the 4 bonds that each carbon had to form, he suggested that there are alternating 3 CC bonds and there were 3 C double bond C bonds. However, later on scientists disproved this model by 4 different pieces of evidence. The first piece of evidence came because benzene was very much less reactive as compared to alkenes. So if benzene was not reacting with chlorine, bromine, hydrogen on its own, then in that case, and also it didn't react by electrophilic addition reaction. So that means that it was doubtful whether it had any double bonds in it. Second piece of evidence came when they realized that benzene doesn't have any reaction with bromine. Unlike alkenes, wherein you know that the test of unsaturation or presence of a double bond is that you add bromine water and it goes from orange to colorless, benzene didn't do any of that. So the orange color stayed orange when you added bromine to benzene. The third important piece of evidence came from the X-ray diffraction studies, which proved that the CC bond length is 0.153 nanometer. C double bond C bond length on the other hand is shorter, 0.134 nanometer, and the bond length in case of benzene was firstly all bonds are of the same length. All of the 6 CC bonds in benzene were of the same length, and in addition to that it was in between that of a 0.134 and 0.153, that is 0.139 nanometer. So that showed clearly that no CC or C double bond C are present here. The fourth very important piece of evidence came from the enthalpy of hydrogenation studies. Hydrogenation is when you add hydrogen across a double bond to turn a double bond into a single bond. So when you added one hydrogen molecule to a cyclohexene, that is one double bond, in that case cyclohexane was formed and energy to the extent of minus 120 kilojoules per mole was released. So as per the Kekule model, which suggested that there are 3 double bonds, so that means in that case the energy released would have been 3 times minus 120 or minus 360 kilojoules per mole. However, in case of benzene, when you added the 3 hydrogen molecules to make cyclohexane, the energy released was not minus 360, which was anticipated, but actually only minus 208 kilojoules per mole of energy was released, which suggested that benzene model is far more stable than what Kekule model was suggesting. So these 4 important pieces of evidence, they disproved the Kekule model, and after that, after many years, the scientists came up with the modern structure of benzene. And in order to understand that, I have created another video, so you can watch the next video to understand the current model for the structure and bonding of benzene. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. So I look forward to see you on my next video. Bye. Take care.